Hey everybody, Drew with VictorOps here again with another video in our series all around reducing MTTA. For this video, we're going to focus on one of the most important phases in the incident lifecycle, and that is response. As a responder, it's extremely important that I know how to find the right information that's related to each and every incident. Additionally, it's very important that I have the ability to collaborate in real time. And then lastly, it's very helpful to have a general understanding of, your org structure in terms of who is on call for what, who is responsible for what, so that in the case that you need additional help, you know who you can pull in, and it's not some, goose chase trying to track down who is responsible for, this part of our infrastructure, which this incident is meant for, right? So if we wanted to start from the beginning at finding the right info, let's take a look at this incident here. So we'll notice that this incident, in most incidents, are going to be broken out into alert data. So all of this information is sent over by the monitoring tool, as you see here, and then VictorOps fields. So fields added by VictorOps, just for the system's own purposes, right? And so one tip I want to pass your guys' way is two fields in these VictorOps fields are going to really give you the most information about what is going on with this incident. And so that is going to be, the first one's going to be your message type field. The message type field denotes the severity of the incident, whether it's purely informational, warning, or it's critical, right? So that is your message type field. The next field is your state message field. This is going to be the most verbose description of the incident that's going to be housed within this payload. So as we see here, this is all about disk space, very straightforward here in this state message field. And then additionally, of course, if you have any sort of annotations attached to the incident, you're definitely going to want to go there because that's information added by your organization deliberately, right? So it's definitely going to have very high value in terms of getting to the bottom of this incident so that you can respond very quickly. And so still in this incident pane, this middle tab here is actually an incident-specific timeline. So this is great because you're able to really track the incident from start to finish, right? So I'm scrolling back here and I can see the alert that started this incident. If I wanted to pop open that payload for some more information on this particular alert, I can do that as well. But this sort of serves as a great shared space that you can collaborate in real time with your colleagues all around this particular incident. And so you'll notice you still have the @mention capabilities. You even are going to have the incident tag is going to be automatically appended here for every message that you put in the incident-specific timeline. So all of that, collaboration going on can be, fed back to a shared space so that everyone has good awareness of what's going on with this incident. And then last but not least, let's say you look over this incident and realize, hey, this is actually meant for someone else. That's when we want to go over to the people pane here on the left so that we have a good understanding of who is responsible for what parts of our infrastructure and who might I be able to send this incident to as I'm not able to handle this, right? And so you'll notice that each of these user cards here will have the VictorOps oak leaf, and that denotes them as being as on call. So it's not like you're going to be waking up someone randomly here that's not on call who's going to have no idea why you're contacting them. These people are all on call, so they have a general awareness that they might be pulled on, in a time of need, right? And then last but not least, here in these incident cards as well, you'll notice between Jesse and Saul, they have this green dot. This denotes them as being engaged in the platform in the past 15 minutes. So just another piece of awareness for you as a responder to understand who can I reach out to if I need some help.